Concerned about the damage to roads, walls and weak bridges in the Ranikor area of southwest Khasi Hills district due to heavy trucks, the Khasi Students' Union Ranikor Circle has issued an ultimatum. Starting July 15, 2024, no overloaded trucks will be permitted to use the Ranikor Umpung Road and the Ranikor Nongna Makurwat Road. Yesterday, KSU Ranikor President Marconi Thongni told the media that despite a Section 144 CRPC order from the Deputy Commissioner and warnings from the PWD office, overloaded trucks transporting coke from Nongjeri still use these routes by night.
Kide ban kit bet saupot amdei ban palat ya ka saupot ya kajingkit jungki khnang ba kajingkit kanam long overload palat te nomar ba ni ba kajingkit overload kan bu jingma shibo ni kijingkeng nomar ngidan ya main kijingkeng ba jerong ngidan artli ke badan Borbasing bridge baka hapo umpung te kini kijingkeng gede bala remba hapo umpung lay te kabangi kwa na kaliang jungi ba kitrok kide banyat kawe kimde banyat kajug opor lada kidon kitrok overload